Hi guys, just a quick video here. I'm going to open up this package from Hobbii. This was a advertisement I saw on Facebook for this website, and it was for this craft store. They're actually located in Denmark. You can make an unboxing video and share and win, but I'm not going to do that. Now what I ordered was 500 grams of just a grab bag of acrylic yarn, so, because I can crochet. So my fear is that I'm going to get either all white or like that time of year, but you know I don't keep that time of year, so I'm going to open it and we're going to see what I got. It was $15 for 500 grams, and then I did not pay shipping because what I do is I look up free coupon codes for free shipping. And I found one and got free shipping. So let's see what yarn I got. Hopefully it is not something that I wouldn't want to use. What? The package good. And it didn't really take that long to get to me, even though it came all the way from Denmark. I'll put their their website down below. Okay. First skein I'm liking because I like earth tones. So I'm liking this. It's called Amigo 100% acrylic. Yeah, I like that. I like that thickness. I'm crocheting now with some kind of like this. Oh, is it all going to be the same color? Okay, well, if it's all the same color, I can use it. I would have liked a variety, though. Oh, I did get a variety. Oh, I got some nice yellow. This is good because I could make some pot holders or something with this because I do my kitchen in yellow. So that's good. That's really soft. Okay, so that's 3 skeins right there. What else do I have? Ooh, that's interesting. It's kind of a turquoise blue, and then it's got some greenish through it. Tweed Dreams. Okay, liking that. Another yellow. And, ooh, and one just like that greenish turquoise one, but it's purple. Oh, purple's my favorite color. Ooh, very happy with these. Very, very happy. And remember, if you don't want to pay a lot for shipping, always look up like free shipping coupon codes, and you'll get a coupon code for places. So there's 3, 4, and then 5, 6 with these. Yes, I will use these. This was $15, and then I got free shipping, so I paid $15.90 altogether for it. Yeah, I love them. They seem like good yarn, and they sell a lot of other things besides yarn. And like I said, it's called Hobbii, Hobbii. So, thanks guys, bye.